This is a ukulele tutorial for how I sing this.
When you open the door, you make me feel some toast and let's get the...
I sing this song in the key of G, which is one step higher than the original, which is in the key of F. This is the first time I'm making a music tutorial, so I hope everything is clear and makes sense. So yeah, good luck to you and me both. Alright, let's begin. This song has 8 chords, and they're very simple to play. First chord is a G major chord, but we're going to hold it a little bit differently, as a barred chord, like this, as this is easy to change into the G major 7 chord that follows next, by only lifting the middle finger. Then we have A minor chord, we also have E minor chord, C chord, D chord, B7, and the last D minor chord. This song is made of 3 parts. It has a verse, pre-chorus, and a chorus. Let's start with the verse. We start with the G chord and then go into G major 7 chord that follows A minor chord, where we stay for a little bit. Then we go into E minor chord, followed by C chord, into A minor and D chord really fast. We do it again with G chord, G major 7, A minor, E minor, C, and A minor into D. So we looped the same thing twice. Next we have pre-chorus, which is only 4 bars long, and it only has 4 chords. The chords are E minor, into D minor, into G, and G major 7, and we finish with G again. After this, we go straight into the chorus. For the chorus, we start with a G, and then we go into B7, into a D minor chord, and C, and then we loop that again, G chord, into B7, into D minor, yes, and finish with the C going into G. We looped everything twice again. After that, we repeat everything again for the second verse that is followed by the same pre-chorus and chorus. And this time you can play along with me.
You wipe the tears from my eyes, and you say that all that it takes is a phone call. I cry at the thought of being alone and dead. I wonder how long it will take till I'm home again. I don't want anything more to see your face when you open the door. You make me beans and toast and a nice cup of tea, and we'll get a Chinese and watch TV. Tomorrow I'll take a dog for a walk, then the afternoon, and maybe we'll talk. I'll be exhausted, so I'll probably sleep, then we'll get a Chinese and watch TV.
After the second round, for the third time, we only have half of the third verse that goes straight into the chorus. No pre-chorus this time.
I know it doesn't seem so fair.
drum pattern you like. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was useful, and let me come closer. Keep practicing. Good work.